Hi everyone, my name is Alex and I'm going to present you my website related to my field of study, which is business management. I am currently studying at Collège Montmorency for now 2 semesters. In business management, we basically have classes on every aspect in a company, like for example accounting, marketing or customer service. To be the best manager, it's very important to know a lot on everything and to have in possession good websites that help you to handle all situations in a great way. Also, there's so many things that a manager needs to know that you always need some reminder to pass over these challenges, and the site I'm about to present you can help a lot. So let me present you my website related to my business management program. First, let's write in the address bar the URL, which is bdc.ca. Click on enter. When we arrive, we can see the slogan, which is the Bank of Entrepreneurs, and it represents really well the website. We will go in this section, start or buy a business. Let me present you the website. There is the logo in the top left corner of the screen. In the top right corner of the screen, we have a place to search something quick. We can change the language from English to French, and there's a place to contact them if you need some information. At the top of the screen in the middle, we have a navigation menu, and we have the same thing on the left-hand side of the screen for more specific information. For example, we have information on business strategy and planning, money and finance, marketing, sales and export, employees, operations, and the list goes on. To see how the website can help a manager, let's try to use it. When you click on the marketing, sales and export section, we have a lot of information. In the middle of the screen, we have a text about why these departments are important in the company. Under this, we have advice on how can we get the best marketing possible, right here, and the way to do it. For example, if you click on defining my target market, uh, yes, so you have indications on this, and that can help a lot, and it's also like a reminder. If you're not sure of something, you can go there and check how to do it, and it explains everything very well. Another thing you can do is evaluate your business. When you click on the entrepreneurs toolkit on the left, you have the possibility to do an evaluation on your business. That will help you successfully manage, grow, and promote your business. Let me demonstrate you how it works. In the blue zone, there's an assessment on if your business is ready for the digital revolution. Let's start it and see what they suggest us. So we'll click on start. It's very short. The first section is about the business information. So let's say just let's say I'm a retail trade business. So So we'll just select anything to answer these questions, and the important will be the feedback at the end. So there's only 4 sections. We're already in the third one. And that's it. So as you can see the result, it says that my business is conservative. Here we have the text on why my business is conservative, and it explains how to improve it. And I have my digital intensity score, which is medium, and the digital culture score, it's medium also. So the goal is to get the highest note, and on the text under this we have explanations of how to get in this goal. So to conclude, I hope you just learned about BDC.ca, a website related to my field of study, which is business management, and I hope you have a good day. Thank you.